Okay, you rolled into Ronnys Games. Got an eBay package here. This was a lot of cars on eBay, and I saw one that I'd never seen before, and I wasn't sure. I'll talk about it a little bit more, but I was like, if I'm seeing the right color on here, it's a car I've never seen before. So, and I think there's a couple of variations I need, but probably 85% of these cars I don't need, so I'm gonna have to just like relist them or send them to somebody like my brother. But we'll see. Packing. Wow. Okay, here we go. Look at that. We'll start pulling them out and we'll look at each one real quickly. A lot of them are in bad shape, like this car. This has seen some better days. Try to put them back there far enough where you can see them. Here's the car I wanted, because it looked kind of brown and I wasn't sure if it was a color change, and I'm still not sure, and I just can't tell. It doesn't look like it's a color change, but I might try. I tried to look it up to see if I could find one in a package or anything, but it's in Malaysia. Can't see the date offhand. Base is a little tarnished. So let me set this one right there. And then let's look at the rest of these. Here's one we see before. This is like the McDonald's one, I believe. Has that same pattern as this one. It's different colors, got some white walls. Looks like that front wheel is no go. No go on the front wheel. Don't know what's wrong with that. Okay. Here we go. There's a bunch of cars in here. There's probably 25 or something. This one's in pretty good shape. Here's another one. So some of these I might see if they're like condition upgrades or anything like that. Another one of these. There's a lot of duplicates. This one has Jimmy or Jim on it. I think that's a McDonald's one also. Let me get the box a little closer to me. I'll try to show the cars pretty good. Here's an older one. Is this the Hong Kong base? Yeah. So this one's actually made in Hong Kong. Can't tell the year on that, if it's 81. Fairly nice. Here's a yellow one, pretty good condition. There's another yellow one. It has different wheels. Yeah. So that's a possibility. There may be some with wheel variations that I might need. There's another yellow one. There's this one again. But there's so many of the same casting. The white one with the kind of flames on it. It's a nice one. Malaysia. It's got 1977 on it. Here's an older one. This one has the real rubber Real Riders. I believe I have this one, but it's a Hong Kong base again. That's a nice one. Put those together. Here's another one of this one. I believe this is the McDonald's car. It has the plastic base. But there's gonna be a lot of duplicates in here. Here, this one is ready for the scrapyard. Look at that thing. That's the back. Okay, another layer down. See what we got. We may be wrapping it up. Looks like there's maybe 6 more. There might be another partial layer. Another one of these. Here's this one in the, it's kind of, it's not exactly pink, but it's kind of in that shade. That one's in pretty rough condition. Here's another one. Pretty rough condition. Here's one of these in a little better condition. Not too bad. Another one of these. This one's in fairly good condition. I'll definitely send a few of these to my brother, but some of them will end up on eBay. Here's the red version. This one's fairly nice. Like, I will check all mine to make sure I don't have it. Let's see. I think that was it. That was the whole thing. So what do we have here? There's four. Get these together. Is it 19? Awesome. I'm gonna be checking my T-Bird collection, see what I need, see what's duplicate, see what I can get rid of. Okay, for sure putting this one in here. But you can kind of see some of the other ones. They all have that kind of pattern on the top. Okay, I did find a couple more that I'm going to keep, but this is one I had already, but I just was noticing it, and the wheels are on the wrong side of the frame of the body of the bottom. But I'm gonna keep it just because it's an error. So that's kind of funny. And then I got this one out of that eBay lot, and it's in real good condition. And then this one has different wheels. So there we go. We got our dreaded error car.